Your e-bike won't turn on, and it's incredibly frustrating, but we're fixing that right now. This guide will solve your e-bike not working problem fast. First, let's tackle the battery. Inspect it for any visible damage and ensure it's fully charged. Then firmly secure all connections. Loose battery terminals are a common culprit, so clean them thoroughly before reinserting and trying again. If that doesn't get your e-bike powered up, the issue might be a system glitch requiring a full reset. For method 2, completely disconnect the battery for 5 to 10 minutes, allowing the system to fully discharge. Reconnect it securely and attempt to power on. This often clears temporary electronic errors. Still no power? Method 3 focuses on your e-bike's display and wiring. Carefully examine the display for damage and ensure all its connecting cables are snug. Look for any pinched or cut wires, as a compromised connection will prevent startup. A gentle wiggle can sometimes reveal a loose contact. Finally, if those steps haven't worked, we move to method 4, checking the controller and motor. Locate your e-bike's controller unit, inspecting it and the motor cables for any visible issues. These are critical components, and a fault here can completely prevent power. Following these steps will help you pinpoint and fix why your e-bike won't turn on, getting you back on the road.